off on my car, and I'm going to show you the arms and the grapple and everything working and stuff. I just moved a whole bunch of stumps with it. You can kind of see them over there, but I'm going to try to grab some trash out of my burn pile here and see if I can't haul it over there and just show you how it works. So, here's the controls. These two act just like a zero turn. Left forward, right forward, ditto, going back. This one controls the arms up and down. And this one controls the bucket. It's all the way up. Down, back up. Here's the auxiliary controls. This one runs these two here. This one runs these two lines here. Alright, when you pull this lever to you, it actuates the grapple open. I'll say that, sorry. There you go. Alright, and then when you're done, you shut it. Alright, and to open it, you pull it. Alright, and then you push it and shut it. Forward like that. That's where that leak is. It's going to be leaking right somewhere. I think it's right in here. Of course, this is the coupler from the grappler side. Alright, so it's going to leak right there. I'm going to try to show you that. That's when you actuate, like the grapple's all the way closed. So you want to open it, no leak. Alright, and see it comes out of that goes there. But when I shut it, it closes, alright, and then it starts to leak once you put pressure behind it. But that's probably, I don't really know a lot about how much that might cost. I couldn't imagine more than $100 to replace this hose line there. But drop this arm, throttle up, and try to do this one-handed. Here's the tracks. Super cool function about this one is that the tracks will expand out. It's pretty hard on the machine to do this. There you go. Tracks are all like new. There's no rims or tears or anything in it. They've got tons and tons of meat. There's a sprocket. There's those front rollers. stuff about it. If you have any other questions, just let me know and I'll try to answer it. Pretty handy little dude. Like I said, I'm just not doing tree care anymore. So, alrighty.